Hello man, I'm Geldum. So the first step for this curly hair routine is to wet your hair until it's damp. Make sure that your hair is really wet, even to the point that it's dripping, so you can make sure that the products are gonna come into your hair properly. Make sure that you use your spray bottle and spray the ends that are really dry, and use your fingers to get in between the hairs in the middle of your scalp. Make sure to get every part of it, every inch, back, front, sides, and make sure they're all really wet and damp. Step 2, you're going to add oil to your scalp in order to keep it hydrated and moisturized. For step 3, you're going to add the Shea Moisture Curling Enhancing Smoothie to make the curls pop and be nice and thick. You already know how we like it, nice and juicy curls. Apply the product from your roots all the way to your ends in a finger raking fashion by taking your fingers and raking your fingers through your hair, applying the product evenly all around your hair. For step 4, apply gel to your hair. I'm spreading the gel in my hands and rubbing them together, and then I'm going to use the same finger raking method as I used with my curling enhancing smoothie in order to start from the roots all the way to the ends to apply the gel evenly, which will really help make your curls pop and bounce. The final step is to shake your head. You need to shake your head like you are possessed, man. And this will work for you. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce back. Let's slow it down. Jeez, sweeter man. Holy, he's gonna take your women. Nah, I'm playing. But you need that shake. For some reason, it really works and makes your hair just pop in a different way. That's the end product. If there's a bit of white in your hair, don't worry. It will dry off. Or next time, apply less of the product or more water accordingly. This is a look when the hair is more dry. You can use your pick in order to pick out the roots and have more volume to your hair. And also, if you've enjoyed my video, please press a like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year, so please help me out. Bye.